Okay, so go tell Aunt Rhody. Let's start with singing the words. Go tell Aunt Rhody, go tell Rhody, go tell Aunt Rhody, I play violin. I like to practice, practice, practice. I like to practice every day. Go tell Aunt Rhody, go tell Rhody, go tell Aunt Rhody, I play violin. Okay, now let's bow and sing. Let's sing and bow the bow speeds in the air. So we'll use quick and long as the two bow speeds. So 1, 2, ready, go. Long, quick, quick, long, 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 quick, quick, long, long, quick, quick, long, long, quick, 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 long, long, quick, quick, long, 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 quick, quick, long, long, quick, quick, long, 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 really long, long, quick, quick, long, 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 quick, quick, long, long, quick, quick, long, long, quick, 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 long. Okay, great. Now let's do some bow exercises. Let's do some smiles. So smiles are like circles where you have the bow at an angle and your elbow is dipping each time you do this little semicircle. And so if you think about if my hand had a marker in it, it'd be tracing the smile part of a smiley face, right? Dot, dot, smile. Like that. Make sure, I don't want to say this, right? It's the elbow dipping. Okay, so smiles, pinky taps. Make it really strong so I can hear the pinky tapping. You can do some thumb squeezes. So you're just holding the bone and you squeeze your thumb, squeeze your thumb, squeeze your thumb. And if you can, this is kind of a tricky one. If you can do bouncing ball, I would love that. So you're just kind of moving the bow as if you're bouncing a ball. Okay, now let's play it on the open A string. So I'm gonna be humming the main part as I play on the A string, just so you can see how this goes. You could do this with the recording or with, like, I'll play it at the end of this video of me just playing straight through. You can also play with that, playing open A. So we're really legato in this piece. That's the goal, is to be really legato. If it turns out that it's a little staccato to start, that's okay, because we can return and make it legato. But if you can, you could challenge yourself to do legato like that. You sort of have two choices for how big the bows are. Ideally, you would be doing long, short, short, long, 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 short, short, long. But it's sort of a case-by-case basis. We may still be going between two bow tapes for everyone, like long, quick, quick, long, long, or slow, fast, fast, slow, slow. And I will probably have told you which one I want you to do. So I'm going to do it with the long, short, short, because generally that's the one I pick. But you can always do it long, slow, fast, fast, if we've talked about that, and that's what I want you to do. But assume it's the long, short, shorts. Okay, so we're going to play an open A. We're going to play along to the melody of Go Tell Aunt Rhody. So I'll be singing it and we'll play an open A together, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Go tell Aunt Rhody, go tell Rhody, go tell Aunt Rhody, I play violin. I like to practice, practice, practice. I
Great. Once you feel comfortable with that, then that means that you have the right hand down, and then you just need to figure out the notes in your left hand, okay? And you've sung the piece, so you know how it goes. We just have to find the fingers that go with the melody that you know in your head. Okay, so I'm going to play through it, playing the notes. If we have not done this in your lesson yet, don't do it right now. Just stop the video. Wait for me to do it with you in your lesson. But if you've gotten to that point and now you're watching it here, we're going to go through together, and I'm just going to be kind of like yelling stuff out as we play. Okay? And feel free to pause and restart the video if you need to. All right. So you can start with 1 and 2 down, or just 2 down. Easier to do 1 and 2 down, but if you feel like being adventurous and want to just do 1 finger at a time, go for it. I'm going to put 1 and 2 down. So ready, and please use the whole bow. Elbow drop to E. Thumb lift the A string. When you get to this part, put 2 down and then lift 1 up. Let's actually just practice that, okay? So ba, 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 a walking finger there. Put 2 down. Before you play 2, lift 1 up. One more time. That's kind of hard. So if you're having a hard time with that, well, that makes sense. And you can just practice that a bunch. You can do that with Mississippi Hot Dogs. Okay. All right. Now on to the B1 part, the next line. Come back down. B2 part. Stay on E. Now back to A part, the line that we learned at the very beginning. Elbow drop to E. Thumb lift to A. And by thumb lift, I'm talking about this guy here. So thumb lift. Finger pop. And we pop that first finger because we don't go back to first finger. We go back to A. So we want to open up the, we want to open it up for open A to be able to, we don't want to fumble over the first finger on the way down. Okay. Now I'm just going to play through it one more time. I'm not going to talk.